Hello everyone, I am StarMax and here you have Lego Star Wars MOC Speedbuild First Order Attack on Hoth. In this mods I use 9 minifigures, these 5 from First Order and 4 modified minifigures from the Resistance. And you know, I'm happy how they came out. In the AT-AT turret is hidden Imperial AT-AT driver helmet. Also on the all mods you can see many parts, elements for rebels and Imperial forces. Like for example this AT-AT leg, of course everything that's left of it. All these elements refer to the battle fought by the Empire and Rebel Alliance in the episode 5, and also this rebel pilot helmet. I hope that you like this video. In the comments tell me were you on premiere. If you don't want to miss future videos and premieres, press the subscribe button and bell notification, in that way you don't miss anything. Also I encourage to watch next these videos on right side. Goodbye and see you next time.